Ever wondered why an abs workout holds such significance in a fitness regimen? The answer is simple, yet profound. Abs or abdominal muscles are not just for show. They are a crucial part of your body's core, providing stability, enhancing performance, and even contributing to a healthy posture. So, let's not delay and dive right into the world of abs workout. The first exercise in our abs workout regime is the plank. It's a simple yet effective exercise that targets your entire core. Begin by getting into a push-up position, but rest your weight on your forearms instead of your hands. Keep your body in a straight line from your shoulders to your ankles. Hold this position for 30 seconds to a minute, depending on your comfort level. Next on the list is the bicycle crunch. Lie down flat on your back, placing your hands behind your head. Lift both your legs off the ground and bend them at the knees. Now, mimic a cycling motion, bringing your right knee close to your chest and simultaneously moving your left elbow to touch it. Switch sides and continue the same motion as if you're pedaling a bicycle. Aim for 10 to 15 reps on each side. The third exercise, the Russian twist, targets your obliques. Sit on the ground with your knees bent, pull your abs to your spine, and lean back a few inches while keeping your back straight. Hold your hands in front of you and twist your torso to the right, then to the left to complete one rep. Do 10 to 15 reps for this exercise. The final exercise is the leg raise. Lie flat on your back, legs straight, and hands by your sides. Keeping your legs straight, lift them all the way up to the ceiling until your butt comes off the floor. Lower your legs back down, but don't let them touch the floor. That's one rep. Aim for 10 to 15 reps of this exercise. Remember, consistency is key. Aim to incorporate this abs workout into your routine 3 to 5 times a week for the best results. And don't forget to complement these workouts with a balanced diet and ample hydration. To summarize, this video has enlightened us on the importance of an abs workout and provided a step-by-step guide to 4 effective exercises: the plank, bicycle crunch, Russian twist, and leg raise. Regular practice of these exercises will not only sculpt your abs but also enhance your overall physical performance and posture. Fitness is not a destination, but a way of life. So embrace these exercises and make them a part of your life. Remember, your body can stand almost anything, it's your mind you have to convince, so push past those mental barriers and stride towards a healthier, fitter you.